Hello everyone and welcome to today's assembly.
Hello!
Let's start with our song, reminding us we're looking in the Bible. Let's open the book.
Let's open the book and take a look. You never know just what you're gonna find. Let's open the book and take a look. Hurry, hurry, don't get left behind. Let's open the book and take a look. You never know just what you're gonna find. Let's open the book and take a look. Hurry, hurry, don't get left behind.
Today's story from the Bible is very different style from usual. So we have modernised the famous story of the Good Samaritan. So we're going to be basing it on some football supporters. But here is the beginning bit, which does come from the Bible. Jesus was teaching one day when a man in the crowd asked him a question. Jesus, can you tell me, what do I have to do to live forever? Jesus said, love God and love your neighbour as much as you love yourself. And the man said, but who is my neighbour? Is he the man who lives next door to me? Jesus said, let me tell you a story, and I think you'll understand. And here's the story.
You'll never walk alone.
Oh, it's sound that we won, lad.
I know, yeah. Can't believe Steven Gerrard got a goal from the halfway line.
Flew straight past the defence.
Knocked the goalie out and broke the net.
Never seen anything like it.
I know, yeah. This league's ours now.
Just like last year, yeah.
Oh, shut up. Haven't you got somewhere to go?
Oh no, is that the time? Oh, gotta go home for my ma's scouse.
Ah, shut up and go home. Oh? Oh, look how cute that dog is. Come here, doggy. Here's a cuddle. Help! Ah! 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 Ow! Ah! Ah! Help me!
What a relief to finally be out of the operating theatre. There's only so much brain surgery a person can do in a day. All this overtime. Still, it's why I went into this profession, to help people.
Oh! Help! Help! Ah! Ah!
Oh my goodness! What's happened to you? That looks like a left fibular fracture with a lacerated ligament and arterial bleeding. And that looks like puncture wounds to his glutamus maximus with a dislocated metatarsal. Not a good prognosis. I wonder what could have inflicted such multiple wounds. First rule of first aid, check your surroundings. Don't want to get myself into danger. Look at that sign. Ooh, I wonder if that could be responsible. But surely not that lovely little thing. No, I'm sorry, I've got to get back to the operating theatre. There's nothing I can do to help you, I'm sorry.
Yes. Pythagoras' theorem, isn't it? Yes, oh, you know, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. Oh, you know, a squared plus b squared equals c squared and all that. No, don't worry about it. All of us forget the basics from time to time. It's all this pressure. Oh, Ofsted coming tomorrow, can you believe it? There aren't enough hours in the day to fit it all in. Oh, dear me. Oh, no, don't worry. Anytime you need to phone, just give me a call. No problem at all.
Help! Ah! 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 Ow! Ah! Ah! Help me!
Oh my goodness me! What has happened to you, boy? Oh dear!
Help! Ow! Help! Someone! Ow! Ah! Ow!
Oh dear, well I'm so sorry, but Ofsted's coming in precisely 15 hours, 45 minutes and 12 seconds, so I'm just going to have to fly.
Can't believe they beat us. And in the 90th minute too. It was a fluke. We were robbed. And those cop-outs walking out with those smug grins on their faces. Lucky I didn't meet any of them on the way out.
Ow! Help! Someone! Ow!
Sorry lad, I've got to go.
Ow!
Lad, what's happened to you? Why have you got ketchup on your face? Oh no, it's not ketchup, that's blood. Who's done this to you, lad? We need to get you to hospital, fast, and out of the way of this dog while we wait for the ambulance. Actually, the ambulance would take too long. Taxi! Can you take him to the hospital, mate? Actually, I'll come with you to make sure he's okay.
The question Jesus was asked at the beginning of today's story was, who is my neighbour? Who was the kind neighbour in the story? The answer was the last person. And even though he supported a different football team, he demonstrated the best way to live. Be kind to one another, even people we may not know or even like very much. Being kind isn't just about what we say. We can use our hands and feet to actively help others and to show kindness.
We're going to say a prayer now. If you'd like to join in, that's lovely. Otherwise, perhaps just sit quietly. Dear God, please help us to be kind and caring to anyone we meet. Amen.
We're going to sing our song now. If you'd like to join along with us with our actions.
Words are wonderful, smiles are superb, but where are your hands and feet, says God? Heartstrings may be pulled, feelings may be stirred, but where are your hands and feet? I need your hands and your feet together, those who you meet. I need your head, knees and toes to go wherever you go and reach in love to all the world. Words are wonderful, smiles are superb, but where are your hands and feet, says God? Heartstrings may be pulled, feelings may be stirred, but where are your hands and feet? I need your hands and your feet together, those who you meet. I need your head, knees and toes to go wherever you go and reach in love to all the world.
Well, thank you everybody, and I hope you enjoyed today's assembly. And we'll see you again very soon. Bye.
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 Bye. Goodbye.